First stop coming off. Just like that. Okay, so here we are parked at this rest area. Just made our first drop. This is one of my favorite rest areas of New York, or of anywhere really. I don't know how you pronounce it. Chautauqua rest area? I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's really pretty here. Overlooking the lake. In the summertime, the trees are full of leaves and they have flowers planted everywhere. It's just really pretty here. I'll walk over and give you the view. It's a nice day here today. It's warm enough, shirt sleeve weather, but it's kind of windy. Every once in a while the sun peeks out. But so here's coming, whatever those are. They're pretty, don't know what they are. And across the road here, get you a view of the lake. This is Lake, I have no idea what it's called. But anyway, that's what it looks like. And it's pretty buildings, pretty inside. So anyway, we're gonna eat some lunch and then keep on going to our next stop. So we're getting close to our last drop here on this load out by Fairfield, Maine. Only problem is it's Saturday morning right now, and there won't be anybody around to receive it till Monday, so that's not really a problem. I'm going to park at there's a truck stop virtually right next door for a delivery. Park in there for the weekend and get our clock reset, and if the weather stays nice enough we might go out and do a little sightseeing on the bike. It's not really tourist season yet, so a lot of places are not open. A lot of things I would like to see are closed, but we might find or something to go to, or at least ride the bike down to the coast and take a little peek at the Atlantic Ocean. And I wish it was a little warmer. I'd probably go further. I'm only a couple hours from Arcadia National Park. That would be really cool to go see, but it's not really warm enough where I want to sit on the bike for 2 hours one way, you know, just to go see that. It'd probably be freezing my butt off by the time I got there, so we'll save that for another time. This dealership here that's where we're delivering to, but you go right next to it and there's a truck stop right here. So we're just gonna whip in here and park for the next couple days.
Now turn left and then you will reach your destination. You have reached your destination. It's on your left.
Try to find a parking spot where I have an empty space to my right. That would make it easier to unload the bike. get in around me, especially since my truck is longer than most. I mean, I'll get back as far as I can. Like right there. But you can see I only have a ton of room in front of me, so. Plus, there's no parking space. There's no legal parking space next to me anyway. But sometimes truckers like to create their own spots if the lot gets full, you know. But I don't think they'll be doing that here because I think this truck stop probably is not going to fill up this weekend. And like I said, if anybody, for whatever reason, did want to park next to me, it's not going to be very easy to get in there. So I think I'm safe. Anyway, that's enough for now, and I'm gonna, I gotta switch this to off duty, and I'm gonna see what sort of trouble I can get into in Fairfield, Maine.